When I get that feedback from our customer that everything is going so well and they're happy and their patients are happy and they refer us to get new clients, that's everything to me. That's like that, what is that called? That emotional paycheck. I like that. Our advanced biologics, our Part B supplies, we're all encompassing one-stop shop, and I think that's important. A lot of our chains that we work with, they want to utilize, whether we have a lab service or Part B service, they want to utilize all of that because our wound care is already tried and proven, so they trust us, and I think trust is really big. I've never felt more supported in a job. I've always worked places, and I have built in relationships that have now obviously led to getting new facilities for us, but I've never worked anywhere before where I felt so fulfilled and part of something great. And I think that's really what is amazing here. We're all here for a purpose, and our main goal is to take care of those residents and do it exceptionally well, better than anyone else in the industry.